Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to find quests on Discord. First of all, launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you find the quest in Discord, you'll be able to earn the rewards by simply doing the tasks and activities. So in order to do that, what you have to do is tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. What you have to do is access the settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings over here. You'll be able to access the account settings, billing settings, app settings, etc. Under the section for billing settings, over here you'll be able to find this option for quests. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find all the available quests over here. Simply scroll down for more options. Also, you'll be able to see the total orbs that you've earned from the quest. So what you have to do is find the quest that you would like to accept. After you do that, simply tap on this option accept quest that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see your task or activity over here. Right now my activity is to watch the video. I'll have to use the Discord desktop or web app in order to watch the video, and I'll be able to earn 700 orbs. So likewise, you'll be able to see the activity for you. Simply perform the activity and you'll be able to earn the orbs. So like this, you'll be able to find the quests on Discord. So that is how you find quests on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.